All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're about to hear ghosts live as you and I. Say, how am I doing this? Here's a little clue. Can't give all my secrets away. Paranormal Busters modification. USB 7 Spirit Box. Radio. Redavine diode. Oh my goodness, they're near each other. Oh my goodness, all the sound is going into the big magnet of the guitar. I just told you how to do it. Here's the settings. Now listen to real ghosts. Ready? I'm gonna go for a little cigarette break. You guys enjoy this. Watch my videos how to do a Paranormal Busters mod. You're about to hear ghosts live. You're hearing them live. Let's crank it up. Hey ghosts, tell the world what you want to say.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Go on, say anything you want. I'll put this video for the entire world to see. Now it's really loud, but listen, pay attention.
On five.
You're hearing ghosts live. Say, how else can I do this? Watch my video called Paranormal Busters Modification. Do that to your PSP7 Spirit Box. Step 1. First get a PSP7 Spirit Box from ghoststop.com. A detuned spiritbox.com. PSP7 Spirit Box. Detuned from ghoststop.com. Sorry. Ghoststop.com. Detuned PSP7 Spirit Box. Then go watch my video how to do a Paranormal Busters modification. Do that to your detuned Ghost Stop PSP7 Spirit Box. And then go watch my video called... I left the links below this video. Step 1, Step 2. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. Then watch my video called How to Make Your DIY FM Transmitter. And then you turn up the volume and you get live ghosts. It's noisy, yes. But you're getting live ghosts. I mean, come on. Hello, guys. Right, I'm gonna go for a coffee and just chill out. Because I work for a living. Hey, ghosts. That's a message for people out there. He doesn't have a job. Yeah, I got a real job. Motherfuckers. That's for the unbelievers. Go fuck yourself. It's the real shit right here, man. Real technology. Science. Now, for those of you that believe, sorry about the middle finger, that's for the bad guys. The stupid people. Yo, ghosts. Say anything you want to the world. Go on. Yeah.
Looking out.
Did you hear that? The ghost just said Mortal Kombat because I have a PlayStation. I'm a big fan of Mortal Kombat, and that's what the ghost just said. He's describing everything that's around. Oh yeah, he's real ghosts. Hey guys.
On unit.
Now, ghosts are not puppies to just, hey, say this, say that. They'll tell you to F off. They'll play with you. They won't answer your questions. Ghosts have a mind of their own, just like you got a mind of your own. Just let them talk. Ghosts. Yo. How you doing? Did you see that? She just said, go fuck yourself. You see that? Don't fucking ask ghost questions and expect them to answer you like a puppy. Just let them be who they are. You ask them questions. If they answer, good. If they don't, move on. Next question. Real humans that have died. Real souls. Alright, let's listen to ghosts. Yo, guys. You guys have fun and just talk away. Tell the world what you wanna say.
Okay.
Collectible.
Let's see. Just a go. One.
He just asked, can you hear us? Yeah, I can hear you. Said 5. Alright, thanks. Anyway, I'm gonna go chill out and have coffee and cigarettes. And let the ghosts talk away. You guys tell the world what you want to say. Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. Alright, people. This is just the ghosts and you guys alone. Enjoy. Real Ghosts Live.
Colin. And Elizabeth.
It's not. Down. Now, please. And they are. Okay. Yeah. Play. Barely. Customers. Okay, what? What? Yeah. Wait. From home. The next collector. Yeah.